Is your inbox full? Do you have way too many emails and you can't read any of them? Let me show you what we do at Pearl Lemon to make sure that our inboxes are pristine, shall we say, a lot easier to sort through. So, here are some things that you can do to practice inbox zero. Inbox zero is basically making sure that your inboxes are nice and pretty and not cluttered with 1,000 emails. So I'm Linnea from the PR team at Pearl Lemon, and as you can imagine, as a PR person, I get thousands of emails. Not today because it's still the holidays, but I still have plenty of emails. So I'm just going to show you guys a way to sort through your emails. So first of all, make labels. So it's very easy to make labels. All you have to do is just select a couple emails, and then you can click on labels right here. And then if you don't have any labels, you can create a new one. And I'm recommending having a couple of tabs to where you can know where to find things. And so, you know what? We're going to put this into Pearl Lemon. And we're going to put these ones. We're going to put these ones. Take all the horror ones. And we're going to put those in journal inquiries. And then, whenever you do this, you can then archive all of these emails. And so then when you do that, you can still see them in here. So you can still see all the emails that are sent to you, but now you have a less cluttered space. So let's say, I really need to know these ones, and then I can archive them. And then the same thing happens. You can still see them in Starred, but they're no longer in your inbox. So then by doing this, you end up giving yourself a little bit of a break. And then you can see how this is very easy to sort through now. And so we can just keep doing this. We're going to put that in social media, and then we're going to archive that, and we're going to put this, and we're going to do that. And with these ones, I can just archive. I know that I can just archive these ones. I don't really need to look at these. So I just put these. I can just archive them. I don't even need to categorize them. And now, actually, these ones are a couple stray journal inquiries. And then, let's see, this one. Oh, this one's actually important. I need to star that, and then I can archive it. And this one is just for social media, so then I can put it here. And look at that! No new emails. Now, obviously, now you have all these emails here, but now you know what you're looking at when you sift through these emails. And so then you can have a more focused way of dealing with your emails. And that's how we do it at Pearl Lemon, and that's how we recommended other people to do it. Having labels and being able to see an empty inbox is a blessing. Once you're able to practice inbox zero, it makes it so much easier to find emails, especially important emails that you need to have for your work or for other purposes. And now you can easily sort through them. And then obviously, you can sort through all of these, and you can also just delete a bunch of the old ones. But the most important thing is to make sure that your inbox right here is empty, so that when you receive new emails, you can actually see them and know that what are important and what are not, and what can be deleted and what doesn't have to be. And you can have a much clearer inbox.